Always, man. I appreciate that, but yeah, you're right.
It sucks to spend gold, but it keeps the market alive a little bit though.
Yeah, it do.
Yeah.
Big ass fucking dragon. Look at this nigga. Hey, look at this nigga Caesar we smashed on earlier right here. Did we smash on this nigga Caesar?
Yeah, just found something in the storm. The nigga that had the deal with Stump, Nuclear,
Yeah,
Shotties.
yeah, all of them.
Yeah, fucking dragon. That dragon does look nice.
It do. My fault.
I want to destroy that cannon though. Y'all ready?
Yeah, I'm right here.
I'm going low. Yeah, I'm going long just to.
Which way? Which?
I'm like all the way on their base, but I'm about to be at the cannon right now in like 2 seconds.
Oh, okay, so you went around. Okay, I see. Okay, I'm running over there.
Okay. Oh fuck.
It is, bro.
They really gotta list off these fucking conversations in the arena.
They rushing up on us.
Nice.
They on it right here.
They on me. They on me. Oh my god, everyone ran off the cart.
Oh, they knew we was on that shit.
Yep.
Well, they all left the fucking court. They knew we was on that shit.
Let's finish off that cannon.
uh,
Alright, now we can go back and push the cart now.
uh. Ah. Oh, how time it is to be aggressive.
Oh, this is like when you get this cart distance, this is all free kills right here. Don't do that
Look,
shit.
they going for our shit. Look, this nigga don't know. Look, he trying to figure out what the fuck they do. Why they kill the shit?
That's our cannon. Can't touch that till your round. Yep, this is about to go. Oh, hold on, poor pass.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, so everybody just punch out that cart. Oh boy. They're not gonna be able to kill it inside this snipe. Okay. It would be nice if this was like Overwatch's cart where you can LOS with it. So all the
Oh yeah,
yeah.
I hate when Tracer do that shit.
Oh, that would be nasty if that shit was LOS.
I know, bro. Like the like that.
Look at them all sitting up there like,
Right
look.
now, they would just legit be able to straight jump down and fight like that. What's the health on that? Oh, this is super health. This big health.
They
That
just
cannon,
enough for their
that's
elite.
going really nice.
Oh, what you doing over here,
Look,
bro?
look, look, look. They literally got look. They just gotta watch us. They just got. They literally sit on the outskirts just watching us. Move the fucking court.
They're like, oh, so this is how the game played. Okay, they pushing the cart.
Yeah, yeah. They learned the game. They basically learned the fucking game. Cause that motherfucker went over there. So I'm finna go kill your fucking cat and then.
Man, he just sat there and looked at us like, I wasted all that time running over here.
Oh shit. That's fucking funny. Oh shit.
I forgot about that, bro.
Oh, did you just hit it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you just made everybody go faster. What's that, baby? Oh, you did? Oh, you made us go super fast there.
I think it's that, don't it?
Yeah, it stacks. Yep. I'm talking about cleared they asses. They literally watching on the sideline of their game. That nigga Caesar ain't shit. That nigga ain't shit. You ain't been on the other team, got his ass smacked. Oh, you good. Wait. Oh, we should go kill that shit again, huh? Alright, yeah, let's go. Yeah, let's go. Let's show them how the game is played so everybody can start playing the game properly instead of just running down here. Oh, I'm on that motherfucker. You ain't got no abilities. I own that ass. And you slow. Oh, he definitely going down. He definitely. Most definitely. Oh, I see him. I switched over to him. Get your ass down on the cannon. Another motherfucker over here. Nah, nigga, we gonna kill this cannon and get back to your ass, nigga. Get your ass melted, nigga. Damn, I just hit that nigga for like 15,000. God damn. Shit, I wonder because I can't. Oh, it's on the mage, basically. Oh, okay. I don't need to. Hell no, nigga. Hell no, nigga. Bring your ass here, nigga.
We pushed them all off the point though, right there.
Get,
That was worse. Got Karuna's at healing.
alright, on him.
Got Karuna, hopping on her.
Yep. Burning. Pushing it.
When we get both combos out, her icicle, his icicle drops, or my snakes go out, fucking hilarious.
Out of there.
Got Karuna again?
Alright. Down. Here go the other healer right there. I silenced the other healer. Get up. Yep. Slowed them. They just let their healers down. That shit dope, though.
Every class so far, it feels good.
Your motherfucking ass down.
Oh, what you doing? You get a little too close, like Karuna. I knew we got like Karuna up there. That was worse. Yo, why you not getting shot? Fuck you.
Yup. Delete them. Yup. Back your motherfucking ass up. Quit playing. Get your ass out of here, nigga. We moving it. We got overtime self-destruction.
Yeah, we didn't get the victory for Bushman. About to finish.
You want to? We killing they Oh no, that's our shit. They gotta kill. We just gonna go sit on that shit. Bully. Down. Yep, right there. Yep. Yep, stay on the phone. Yep. Down. I'm coming back down, man. All right. Okay. Here I come. Hold up. Give me baby, my baby. Yeah, too.